Did you know that a single cow can produce over 7,500 gallons of milk per year? That's a lot of cheese. Cheese making, a practice older than written history, begins with our milk-producing friends, cows, goats, sheep, and even water buffalo. These animals graze on pastures, their diet directly influencing the flavor of the milk, and ultimately the cheese. Imagine a sunny hillside dotted with contented cows munching on clover. The quality of their life, their diet, even their emotional state can affect the taste of their milk. It's no wonder that artisan cheesemakers often form close bonds with their animals. Once the milk is collected, it's whisked away in refrigerated trucks to the cheese-making facility. Here, the magic truly begins. The milk is tested for quality, pasteurized to eliminate harmful bacteria, and then it's ready for the next step in its transformation. From humble beginnings on the farm, the journey of cheese is already an intricate dance of nature and human ingenuity. Now let's get down to the cheesy business. The transformation of milk into cheese is a fascinating process that involves a few key steps. First, we introduce bacteria cultures to the milk. These microscopic helpers start to ferment the milk sugars, producing lactic acid. This acidification is what gives cheese its tangy flavor, and also plays a crucial role in the next step, coagulation. Remember those curds and whey Little Miss Muffet was enjoying? Well, they don't appear magically. The addition of rennet, an enzyme traditionally sourced from calf stomachs, don't worry, vegetarian options exist, encourages the milk proteins to clump together, forming curds. The liquid left behind is the whey, which, while often discarded, is experiencing a resurgence as a health food. This process of coagulation is like watching a magic trick unfold. What was once a uniform liquid slowly transforms into a wobbly mass of curds suspended in whey. The cheesemaker carefully monitors this process, adjusting temperature and stirring to achieve the desired texture. It's a delicate dance of science and intuition. Once the curds have reached the desired consistency, it's time to separate them from the whey. This can be done by gently cutting the curds, allowing the whey to drain out. The size of the curds determines the final texture of the cheese. Smaller curds yield firmer cheeses, while larger curds result in softer, creamier varieties. Next comes salting, which serves a dual purpose. It adds flavor, of course, but also helps to preserve the cheese and inhibit the growth of unwanted bacteria. Salting can be done by hand, by rubbing the cheese with salt, or by immersing it in a brine solution. The cheesemaker's choice depends on the type of cheese being made and the desired flavor profile. Now comes the aging process, where the cheese truly develops its unique character. Some cheeses, like fresh mozzarella, are ready to eat immediately. Others, like cheddar or parmesan, are aged for months or even years, developing complex flavors and aromas as they mature. The aging environment, temperature, and humidity all play crucial roles in shaping the final product. The aging process is where the cheesemaker's artistry truly shines. Cheeses are carefully monitored, turned regularly, and sometimes even washed or brushed with special solutions to encourage the growth of desirable molds and bacteria. These microorganisms contribute to the cheese's flavor, aroma, and texture, creating a symphony of sensory experiences. Imagine walking into a cheese cave, the air thick with the pungent aroma of aging cheese. Each wheel, carefully arranged on wooden shelves, tells a story of time, tradition, and terroir. The cheesemaker, like a sculptor, has guided the cheese through its transformation, coaxing out its unique qualities. But the journey doesn't end there. Once the cheese has reached its peak of flavor and maturity, it's time to share it with the world. From the humble cheese counter at your local grocery store to the refined cheese boards of Michelin star restaurants, cheese has the power to elevate any meal into a culinary adventure. While cheesemaking remains deeply rooted in tradition, modern technology has also found its way into the cheese cave. Temperature-controlled rooms ensure consistent aging conditions, while specialized equipment helps cheesemakers achieve greater precision and efficiency. Some producers are even experimenting with innovative techniques like ultrasonic cutting to create new textures and flavors. For example, some cheesemakers are now using computer-controlled systems to monitor the pH and temperature of their cheese vats with pinpoint accuracy. This level of control allows them to create consistent, high-quality cheese batch after batch. Other innovations include the use of vacuum packaging to extend shelf life and prevent spoilage. However, Even with these advancements, the heart of cheesemaking remains the same. A deep respect for tradition, a passion for quality, and a love for the craft. The cheesemaker's touch, their knowledge passed down through generations, is what truly elevates cheese from a simple food to an art form. From the rolling hills where the cows graze to the carefully controlled environment of the cheese cave, the journey of cheese is a testament to the ingenuity and passion of cheesemakers worldwide. So, the next time you savor a slice of your favorite cheese, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process and the dedication that went into creating that delicious masterpiece. Remember, cheese is more than just food. It's a celebration of flavor, tradition, and the magic of transformation. So go ahead, indulge in a cheesy delight, and let your taste buds embark on a journey of their own.